So, you just started your YouTube channel, or if you had your YouTube channel for a while and you want to get to your first 100 subscribers, right? Or even you want to get to your first 500 subscribers, and I just don't really know how to do that, Adam. I just don't know. Well, during this video, we're going to talk about a few strategies you can do to get to your first 100 subscribers or even up to 500 subscribers. Yes, you can do this, and we're going to talk about it a little bit, just a little bit. So my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching my video today. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to get up to 100 or even 500 subscribers in your YouTube channel, for your YouTube channel. So you go, of course, if it's your first time in this video, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget that notification bell when I do videos just like this. Let's go ahead and talk about the content right away. Now, you just started your YouTube channel, or if you had your channel for a while and you look up, you're like, I only got 50 subscribers, I only got 100 subscribers. Well, we're going to talk about how to increase that today, some strategies you can do right away. So the first thing, if you haven't done, is basically, pick a niche or an area of service you want to talk about on an everyday basis, and you want to follow people who's doing it. So if you got a YouTube channel and you're online marketing, affiliate marketing, right? So you want to go ahead and follow people that is doing good things in affiliate marketing. People who has a good watch time, a good delivery presence, they're relatable online in terms of doing video. They got good products and services that you like how they're presenting and marketing those. So you want to follow how they're delivering their videos. You want to look at the keywords. You want to look at their thumbnails, how they create their thumbnails. You definitely want to look at little things within the videos. And so you want to start studying them, because pretty much you want to be able to use some of that information towards your own channel. So basically, do your research, do your study on people who's already doing it right now. Number two thing is that whatever you're doing, like say if you pick online marketing, you got to like the actual industry. So basically, if you choose online marketing, you actually have to like the industry. So I recommend you finding some type of consistency with it. So if you're going to do a video every week, make sure you do a video every week. If you're going to do a video every day, make sure you do a video every day, because you want to be consistent whatever you're doing. If it's 2 videos a day, or 2 videos a week, or 3 videos a week, you want to follow a plan on something you can do every single day. So even if you are busy with your full-time job, or you have another online business or something like that, you want to make sure you can be consistent at what type of videos you can do on an everyday, every week, every month basis, because you're trying to build an audience and you want them to stay on and continue to follow your content. So that's definitely one to want to do. Your third step I think you want to do is that you want to be patient when you're doing your YouTube video. So the biggest thing I think you want to be able to do is that, YouTube channel is a marathon. It's not a sprint. So when you do videos, you do 3, 4, 5 videos, don't necessarily expect a bunch of subscribers or a high watch time right away, especially if you're new. It does take time to build views and subscribers up. So your mindset should be thinking about the next video, making that video awesome, the next awesome video. So your mindset should be thinking like, okay, it's Thursday today. I'm going to do a video Saturday and it's going to be awesome. Here's all the things I'm going to talk about, and I'm going to deliver it so well. So be thinking about building videos that's awesome, doing your research within them videos, and make sure you're having fun along the way, because people are going to see right through it. They're going to be like, that person ain't trying to do it. I mean, he's not real. She's not real. He's not authentic enough. I don't really buy into what they're talking about. So you definitely want to be able to have fun on video, right? So if you're not used to doing video, I advise you to practice doing videos, practice in the mirror, practice this, just doing like a lot of practice videos, just talking about things, because you want to be comfortable, but you also want to be authentic. You don't want to have everything in the background all perfect. It's all about imperfect action too, especially in the beginning, or even during after that. So people want to see things that's real. You come on here, it's real, it's unscripted in a way. My videos are usually unscripted. I usually have some things I want to talk about. I'm prepared, but when I come on, I'm more unscripted. I'm just going to talk to you right now. When that camera comes on, I'm on fire. So you want to be able to be exciting, and you want to be able to be relatable on the presence of a camera. See, like, it's just me and you right now, just me and you right now. So a long-term success with YouTube. And my next option, my next number here is that long-term goals. So when you start a YouTube channel, it's all about the long term. Remember I was talking about the marathon, not a sprint. But basically what it is that you want to create long-term goals on YouTube. So if you get your first 100 subscribers, then you need to start what goals you're going to get to the 500 subscribers. Let's say if you got 10,000 watch hours, how now the goal is to get to the 20,000 watch time hours. So you want to build your channel over time. It's your platform, it's your space, it's your area, and it's your brand. So whatever you're talking about on a daily basis, weekly basis, or monthly basis, that's your brand. That's who you are. That's what you represent. So that's why it's so important to pick a topic that you're interested in and love doing, because that's going to be a big part of your brand. So long-term goals, and there's some short-term goals as well. Of course it is. Of course. You can just say, 2 videos, 3 videos a week. Hey, that's a nice goal there. That's a very goal. Just make sure you're consistent with your goals. So those are a couple of things I have is, let me backtrack. You want to research the right niche that you are into, and then research people that's doing that niche that's having success on YouTube. The number 2 thing is you want to be able to do something that you like to do on an everyday or monthly basis. So whatever that niche is, make sure you enjoy it. Make sure that, it gives you, pleasure and passion and excitement and energy. Make sure that has that. The other thing is that YouTube is not a short-term goal. It's more of a long-term goal. It really is. Yes, you can use it as short-term. I'm not saying you can't, but it's more successful doing the long-term, because you're building videos, you're building a presence, you're building a brand, and a brand takes time to build. You just don't turn on the camera on, hey, I got a brand right now. Everybody come on in, come on in. It doesn't work that way. Now, there's times it will. When you do one video, it's just hundreds and thousands of people all of a sudden starting to watch your videos. And if you stay consistent with that, yes, that can happen. And I believe that will happen to you. And the last thing is, make sure you have long-term goals with your channel, because it is a marathon, not a sprint, like I said a couple of times already. So if that's all you, growing your YouTube channel, growing your online business, growing your brand, and don't forget, right below this video, I do have an online business opportunity for you. Yes, during my YouTube channel, I want to show you something that has been exploding the internet right now, exploding. Click on that link below. We give you the training, we give you the direction on everything. So even though this is on YouTube, I definitely want to tell you about that, because it's all about having a YouTube channel, building a relationship, and I want to share this message with you because it's exploding the marketplace right as we speak. Click on that link below. It's my #1 recommendation of starting an online business, especially using video. You can use video. Obviously, if you like video, you can use emails. You can use different strategies with that. So click on that link below if you're just wanting to start a business, and go ahead and sign up today. So that's all I got today. You can grow your YouTube channel in 2019, 2020, and on beyond, because I believe in you. So go ahead and do that first video, and go ahead and get that first subscriber, or even where you have your 50 subscriber, go ahead and get that 51st subscriber. Click on that link below to start your business, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I can't wait to see you on the next video. Have a good time. Well, I'm going to have a good time. You have a good night.